Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome if you're watching on onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, there's been another mass shooting, this time in Montego Bay, St. James. 8 people were shot, 3 fatally, when armed thugs opened fire at residents on Warwick Drive in Norwood today. As you'll hear in this report from Anthony Lugg, a teenager is among those injured.
Warwick Drive, Norwood, St. James, has been under a zone of special operation, which is why no one expected Saturday's brazen attack.
8 people were shot, 3 died almost immediately, and there's a 14-year-old girl, a student, who is currently in hospital battling for life.
Reports are that sometime before 10 Saturday morning, a group of armed men invaded the community and opened fire. The incident has left the community stunned. Assistant Commissioner Clifford Chambers is head of the Area 1 Police.
Our detectives are not leaving any stone unturned. So far, they have identified over 50 spent casing, which indicating that the act was deliberate.
It's understood that the attack was in reprisal for the fatal shooting of a man in a neighboring community. 17-year-old Devontae Lyndon, a resident of Westmoreland, was visiting the area when he was shot dead last night. Lyndon's brother, Delano Spence, is said to be among the attackers who carried out today's shooting.
From all indication, the lead is obvious. There's one person who was shot and killed. Allegedly, he was one of the attackers, so it is clear where this is coming from, and the investigative note so far is pointing us in the right direction.
Investigators are still trying to determine whether he was killed in an exchange of gunfire or was accidentally shot by his cronies. In the meantime, Saturday's deadly shooting has again raised concerns about the effectiveness of the Zone of Special Operations. This response from National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang.
It's the brains of the criminals with guns. As I said, the police was here almost instantly, but given the nature of the community and the urban density, the little tracks, they shoot and move. The reality with so many guns out there and so many young men who will use them and see them as a means of empowerment, we're going to have the incident of this sort, occasional incident, but the more the police apprehend and get on top of it and they realize that they're not going to escape, then we'll see the reduction on a long-term basis.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.